the frozen north of the world live people called Eskimos. There are no roads, buses or trains, so they travel by sledges pulled by dogs, moving from place to place in search of food. They build houses made of blocks of ice called igloos. Practically their whole lives are spent getting enough food and keeping warm. And in both these jobs they give their teeth nearly as much work as they give their hands. Here they are, chewing rough, raw skins to make them soft enough to sew, and all their food is eaten raw. Yet in the Eskimo language, there is no word for toothache. We treat our teeth much more gently, yet there are very few of us who haven't something wrong with our teeth. Sometimes, when we are grown up, we even have to have them all out. Now, just try to imagine what this small girl would look like, grown up and with no teeth. She wouldn't look very pretty, would she? Why do we get toothache and have to have teeth mended or taken out? We can learn our first lesson from this young man in the boat. He's got blisters from rowing. He doesn't give his hands enough hard work, so they've got soft. Now look at these hands. Hard work has made them as tough as leather. No chance of blisters there. Now, remember the Eskimos and all the hard work they do with their mouths? Chewing tough foods, softening up tough skins is really hard work. Soft gums become firm and healthy as the old boatman's hands, and teeth, with so much exercise, become beautifully hard and polished. Even very small children learn to make their jaws work hard. We use machines to mince food for us, and we cook our food till it is tender. This means we don't give our teeth and jaws enough hard work to do. Nobody wants to eat Eskimo food when jellies and cream are so much nicer, but it's sweet, sticky foods that do our teeth most harm, and crisp, fresh salads, raw vegetables and fruit, which are very good for them. These foods don't clog our teeth, they clean them. So always try to finish your meal with something like this. An apple is very good, but even more important, brush your teeth and gums night and morning with a good toothpaste. Watch how she's using her brush. To make it easier for you to see, we'll show you on a model. She sweeps the brush from gum to tip of tooth. You can see why if you look at the dirt lodged in the teeth of a comb. Brushing across the teeth doesn't shift the dirt. Brushing from top to bottom does. It isn't difficult to clean your teeth this way, but it makes all the difference to the health of your mouth. Even small children can learn to clean their mouths the right way. Always clean your teeth before going to bed, and don't eat anything after cleaning. If we look in this child's mouth, we'll see why. That sticky mess would lie there all night, and that would soon make holes in her teeth. It's such a pity not to take care of our mouths. After all, the Eskimos have no word in their language for toothache. Perhaps we will learn to look after our teeth so well that we won't have to use the word either. It's worth trying, isn't it?